Today, I'll be walking you through what triggered my I showed up experiment. I have had a lot of complaints from myself about not getting things done. I've read a lot of book about how to really approach these things. So I started doing research on okay, what's really wrong? And that's the first thing I want to point out. And that's one of the things I probably didn't put in my article, as in the whole of my article, is that the first thing I did was I literally sat down, went into my calendar, and scheduled a meeting with myself. Strange. I scheduled a meeting with myself. Say on Monday, nobody should disturb me. I'm having a meeting. I sat down and I asked questions. What is going on? Just picture it as a company, an organization where if something is wrong, we call a meeting. Say, so what happened? What did you do wrong? What should you do on this side? You ask the salesperson, you ask the technical department, you ask the distribution department what's going on and what should we do. Exactly that was what I did with myself. I sat down, I asked every section I could ask, every question I could ask again, said, okay, what's going on this side? What's going on this side? And I list out things that was going, what I identify as what's going wrong and things I felt I was doing well. And if you want to guess what I did, all I did was I just tore out what I was doing wrong and I threw it out. I was like, I know them. I shouldn't be bothered with them. And I identify what I was good at, what I was doing right, what people have made comments about me, and I focus on those things. Now, it's again from the research I've done, from the books I've read, I realize habit is just about changing or focusing on something, switching something. And I focused on the good part of me. And that's just what I did. And I felt if I could do this, what's the next step I take? I said, okay, let me look into making sure I reach a goal. And that was what triggered the I showed up experiment. And I ran through 2025. Thank you. I look forward to the next video with you. We'll talking.